Every great business starts with a simple passion. For Lighthouse Automotive, it wasn't about building the biggest shop, it was about helping people. What began as a childhood fascination with taking things apart grew into a lifelong commitment to fixing vehicles, solving problems, and giving customers someone they can trust. Through hard work, family, and a dedication to serving others, Lighthouse Automotive has become more than an auto repair shop. It's a place where people know they'll be taken care of.
I guess the very first start was when I was young, very young. I was a kid that always disassembled every toy he got. Never got them back together, but always got them apart. Then as I got older, I was one everybody brought their bicycle to have their bike fixed. And then it progressed from there to they all brought me their cars to get their cars fixed. And that's how we got started.
I started out as being a very hands-on owner because it was just me and David. So I was in the day-to-day, but as we've grown and more employees have come on, I've worked more on the business now and not in the business. So I am the owner behind the business now, working to improve things, the processes, and all that fun stuff that owners get to do.
Oh, it was scary. I mean, like I say, but we started out really small and worked our way up, so we paid for everything as we went. So there was no bills. It was just...
Anyone who tells you it's easy, they're lying to you. They really are. It's learning how to separate business and personal, and it's not easy. It's really not. I mean, we've been married 34 years, doing this the whole time. So, I mean, communication is probably the biggest thing.
As Lighthouse Automotive grew, one thing never changed: their purpose. Cars may be what come through the shop doors, but people are always the priority. Whether it's a local customer or a family stranded while on vacation, the mission is the same: remove the stress, provide honest guidance, and help people get safely back on the road.
I love helping people. So if people are in a bind down on a vacation and not worried about getting home, I like to take care of them, help them out, and get them back home safely.
Yeah, we see that a lot. It's especially with being a really high touristic area location. You'll see a lot of people come in with tire repairs and whatnot that they'll need done. And we just explain to them that we can handle everything here. Everything can be done, and we schedule an appointment, or we're pretty active in being able to bring vehicles in and at least have them looked over and give you an idea what's going on, give you that peace of mind. Gives you a timeline right off the get-go within just a couple of hours.
I always tell people that they shouldn't feel overwhelmed and scared about what's going on with their vehicle. That's our job to be worried about their vehicle, not theirs. And every time I tell that to someone, it's almost like a relief you can see in their face. Like, they're like, oh, I don't have to be worried about this. They're taking care of me. So that's always fun. I feel like that's an easy way to navigate that.
I could say, especially one time helping someone get a engine replacement done. They had a major issue. They weren't aware of what was going on with it at the time. They were on vacation. And so I was working with them throughout that process and explaining to them what all we could do to try to get it to a point where it was going to be repairable, but after further diagnostic, we found that the engine wasn't savable. In that instance, we were able to get something set up where we were able to find them a place that was able to provide a rental vehicle so they were able to get their family home safely. And I kept them updated every day with where we were at as far as getting the engine replacements done. And they actually came back. They took a few days off work. They were up in northern US. They had come back to pick up the vehicle, and they had expressed their appreciation for me greatly because I was trying to just communicate everything fairly, honestly, and quickly. We ended up getting the whole vehicle done in about a week.
Trust isn't built through advertisements. It's built one repair, one conversation, and one customer at a time. At Lighthouse Automotive, success isn't measured by the size of the building or the numbers on a balance sheet. It's measured by the relationships they've built and the people they've helped along the way.
They can trust us, yeah. And they've seen that every time they bring their vehicle in, they're treated right. And I feel like when customers find a place that treat them and their vehicles with respect and care, like we genuinely care about the people that come to us, they see that and they want to keep coming back because they know they'll be taken care of.
I'd like to continue to serve the community And there again, I'm just a people pleaser. I like helping people. Lighthouse Automotive is a trusted auto repair shop, and we like to make our customers our friends.